Baby ones too. Oh, yo, these ones are moving, but they're small though. These ones are the baby ones.
Oh shit, that's all we need. How much are these?
I don't even know.
No refrigerated either. Yeah, let's get these.
Yeah, I'm done. Really cool. I don't even use like a fucking real tackle box like that.
Yeah, like a box.
Yeah. Nah, I carry my stuff in and like the square boxes.
You seen the shit that I use, right?
The
cheap one?
Nah.
Well, I can use a box.
Then you good, I done. Yes sir. Freaking what's it called? Yeah, I'll give you one because I don't be using them because I just like carrying my shit in my backpack when I'm walking or like have 2 reels or rods with me. I don't know. I always had that bad habit of fucking picking up my tackle box and everything will fall out.
Oh.
I'll be like, fuck. I'll be like, oh shit. I'm like, fuck. Alright, yep, I'm gonna just walk with him. I didn't know what was going on. I didn't say nothing though. I was like, alright.
We out here. We outside today.
We just got here, guys. Beautiful day. Not so hot. I just got done sprinkling. So let's get to it. But I've set up right now. Alright, guys. Time to set up. On God, that's what I was like gonna say that too. My son wanted me to said I could use this rod, and look what I'm doing. About to use this rod. Gotta get this little fella a better rod though, I guess. And first catch of the day. Alright, I was here setting up my line. Fish on, baby! You gonna use that for bait?
Yeah.
Alright, damn.
You forgot our original mission?
Yeah, nah, I didn't forget. I just wanna see.
That's a bigger one too.
Yeah, he's big. Alright. You gonna hook him up on one of these ones? Cause I got big hooks right here.
Yeah, I'll let you do that, bro. I'm not high enough level to do that shit.
What? You better
I
learn.
can't do it, bro. I gotta learn. I gotta watch you do it.
Alright, let's get it. Let's see. Damn, that's crazy. This is nice. This is a nice size.
I'll get some more.
Ooh, alright. That's like 2 pounds. We got not even.
That's barely one.
Oh, with the other one.
Yeah.
Added the other one. Damn, that's crazy. Watch out, homie.
Alright, 20 minutes, fucking 60 more to go.
Yo. Oh, damn. Ripped the out of his lip. Sorry, bud.
That's too damn bad. We're gonna.
Watching like different ones. Look at this pattern. This pattern's crazy.
Start a zoo.
That's dope. Nice.
Yeah, I'm getting tired of this, man.
Man is catching bait for us.
Well, at least I can do that.
Alright. Alright, chat. This man is getting more fish than me. How's that happening? How's that possible? Chat, talk to me. Talk to me. Hey, I say. Oh, here. I'll tell him right now when he comes close. Ooh, got one. Let's go. On God, huh?
Let's go. Who needs a ride?
Oh, that shit already came off. Oh my God.
Don't let it go like I did.
Oh, this fucking dumbass. Oh, fuck.
Not again.
There you go. Leave my rod right there. Alright, I'm straight Mexican. So that's the size of my my hand. We're gonna go to canal right now, so we caught like about what? Like three pounds of sunfish, but we're gonna go to canal and see if we can get some catfish with those sunfishes. So let's get it. Get in there. Let it float on top. Just like this, look at this. Boom.
Like fold it on there like a taco?
Yup. And then throw this. Ah. Carp are really easy to catch, I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit, there you go. Got him. Got him. Here, come here. Yeah, fuck it. Or do you want to reel them in?
I'll get it.
All right. Oh shit. God damn it. He's under the bridge. He's like really stuck under there, like my line's stuck. Oh, there you go, got unstuck. Here, we're gonna walk down that way. Oh shit, look, see they're eating the bread out there. God damn it. Right here. Fuck.
I'm fighting for his life.
On God. God damn it.
Didn't get tired.
Nah, I need his ass now.
Tire him out.
It looks tired. Oh fuck. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, baby. Alright.
Look at this fucking dragon, dude.
Yeah, nigga, big as hell, I ain't gonna lie.
Think we can do it again?
Yeah, here. Here, let's walk back over there. Here.
Oh, let's wave the fish real quick, too.
Oh yeah. We said we're trying to catch 30 pounds worth of fish. That's probably like half of our day already.
Let's go.
Hell yeah, that's some good shit. Right now they're eating on top water. So, thank you, bro.
What's we doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. About 15 pounds.
15, I'll say 15 exactly because you gotta count this shit too.
You can always weigh this afterwards.
True.
Subtract. It's 1588. 15.88.
Oh shit. Damn. He's just tired. He'll get up there right now. He's just tired. Bro, he's just tired. He's just tired.
No way.